Hello everybody, it's time to put that tank in that Mercury over there. And as you can see, I got Justin over here to help me out. So here we go. Let's put a fuel tank in a 68 Mercury the redneck cool way. Here we go. Just like that, a hillbilly lift, the Idaho way. Looks like I got somebody coming in, but stay tuned and we'll drop that tank in there. Okay, you can see I got her blocked up here, a couple blocks there. I got the wheels chucked, everything I can do to make it safe. I got the backhoe over here so the wife can fire it up and lift it off of me if anything bad happens. Looks like right there. I'll slip into their little hole like that. And then they come around like that. One more. Looks like the UPS man is here. Let's sick my dog on him. Maybe he's got my oil pump. Okay, like that. Make sure she's centered on the straps. Make sure I'm not hitting nothing. Hello. Plug this dude in. There. Sending units in. Now, to tighten her up, left my ratchet way over here. Now watch. Murphy's Law is going to happen. It's going to be the wrong size. Told you, see? Yeah, 9/16. That's a 1/2 inch. So you'll see me right back in here with a 9/16 instead of a 1/2. Okay, I'm gonna need a 9/16 wrench now. This one's gotta go about like that. And my socket ain't deep enough for that. They usually aren't. That's why I didn't bother with the impact. Thank God they're coarse thread. Now don't cinch them all the way in. They just have to be tight is all. You don't want to crush your tank. Because these are locking nuts. They ain't coming loose. So just get them snugged. So nothing bends, moves, walks, anything like that. Okay, so that's that part of it. Now let's jump over here. There we go. Now, you can see down there, that's where the filler neck's got to go. It's got to go right down in there and pick up inside of that one tube right there. So let's see if we can hit that hole. Okay, Buff, this is for you. I brought out my BF Good wrench. It's a lot smaller than yours. Okay, and that did the trick. So now all I got to do is just line the holes up here, start these little catchers here, and this one. And these are three. Brand new gas cap. And with that, the 68 Mercury has got our new gas tank. Well, as new as it's going to be. So that does it up for that one. So stay tuned for the next one. And meantime, get out there and get some metal hot. And let's keep these old girls on the road where they belong.